Welcome to the Maryland Mortgage Rate Weekly Mortgage Market Update for the week of February 17, 2014. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, here to give you an update. Well, last week we did see Maryland mortgage rates move higher as the mortgage bonds did sell off. If you look at the bond chart on the screen, you can see Monday we hit a 6-week high for the bonds. That was a 6-week low for Maryland mortgage rates. But then Tuesday, big sell-off, the big red candle, sold off again on Wednesday, but at the end of the week, we were able to hammer out a layer of support, and we're hoping that can hold. But we are going to recommend, if you're short-term closing in less than 30 days, go ahead and lock in your Maryland mortgage rate. Take advantage of the 6-week lows in rates. But if you're not closing for 45, 60 days or longer, we recommend floating to see if this level of support can hold and to see if the economic conditions can support rates moving lower in the short term. So that's your advice on the rates. Let's dig into the reports we got last week. First one being weekly initial jobless claims came out on Thursday. Claims spiked higher by 8,000 to 339,000 claims. So that is not helping the labor market. Claims are going higher. Even though unemployment numbers going down, that is not a good indication of the economy. Labor force participation rate stuck at a 35-year low at 63%. Unemployment's going down because people are dropping out of the workforce, not going back to work. So the feds are going to have to address that. And then we saw the retail sales report. That came in lower by 0.4%. We were expecting to stay the same, but it actually dropped, and we're attributing the poor retail sales to consumers not getting out there and spending because of this harsh winter weather we're seeing. Snowstorms, freezing cold, polar vortex, all that stuff. It's having an effect on the economy, so that is not good news there. And then we saw in the Housing Realty Track released foreclosure filings for January 2014, and they were down 18% year over year from January 2013. And January marked the 40th consecutive month of decline in foreclosure filings. So that's great news on the housing front. Housing recovery still continuing, so that's great news. Now, in the local news, the next first-time homebuyer seminar is this Saturday, February 22nd. That's in Towson, Maryland, from 10 a.m. to noon at the Baltimore Sheraton North Hotel on Delaney Road. You can register for that event by giving us a call at 410-412-3319 or register online, www.marylandhomebuyerseminars.com. Look forward to seeing you guys next week.